Hey there, future business moguls. Are you ready to take the entrepreneurial world by storm? Are you raring to launch your startup but missing that critical partner in crime? The one who complements your skills and shares your vision? Today, I'm going to show you how to find a co-founder easily using an awesome tool called FindCoFounder. This platform is a game changer for anyone looking to build a successful startup. Let's dive in and explore what makes FindCoFounder so special. First things first, what is FindCoFounder? Simply put, it's a specialized platform designed to help entrepreneurs like you find the perfect co-founder. It's tailored to meet the unique needs of startup founders. You can think of it as a matchmaking site, but for business partners. It connects you with individuals who have the skills and passion to help your business thrive. Pretty cool, right? Imagine finding someone who is just as excited about your idea as you are. So, who can use FindCoFounder? Well, whether you're a tech whiz, a marketing guru, or a visionary with $1 million idea, this platform is for you. It caters to a diverse range of professionals. Basically, if you're looking to start or grow a business and need a co-founder, this is your go-to tool. It bridges the gap between great ideas and the people who can help bring them to life. Now let's talk benefits. One of the standout features is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. You don't need to be a tech genius to navigate through it, which is a huge plus. The simplicity of the design ensures that you can focus on finding the right partner without any hassle. And if you're worried about finding someone who shares your vision, relax. The platform has got you covered. The platform uses advanced algorithms to match you based on skills, interests, and goals. This ensures that you find someone who is not just a good fit on paper, but also in practice. It's like having a business-savvy Cupid on your side. These algorithms work tirelessly to find the best match for you. What about pricing? One of the best things about FindCoFounder is that it's incredibly affordable. You don't have to break the bank to find your ideal co-founder. They offer a variety of plans to fit different needs and budgets, from free basic access to premium packages with extra features. This flexibility ensures that everyone can benefit from the platform. So, whether you're bootstrapping or ready to invest, there's something for everyone. The pricing plans are designed to be accessible to all entrepreneurs. And here's another bonus networking opportunities. By joining FindCoFounder, you're not just finding a partner, you're also entering a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. This community can provide invaluable support and connections. Who knows? Your next mentor, investor, or collaborator could be just a click away. The platform opens up a world of possibilities for networking and growth. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to findcofounder.vercel.app and start your journey to finding the perfect co-founder today. Don't let the lack of a co-founder hold you back from achieving your dreams. It's time to turn those big ideas into reality. With the right co-founder by your side, the sky's the limit. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on your entrepreneurial journey. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.